Hello, everybody. Thank you for all your support. Thank you, all my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you for all your contribution to the growth of my channel. I am saying mega shout out love to all of you around the globe. Today, I'm unboxing my HD camcorder camera. This is the manual. I got to get used to it in a minute. I got to familiarize myself with it. It came with this box. I bought it from Amazon. It's a full HD high definition. It's good for vlogging as well. Okay, so that is the camera there. Can you see the camera? Canon full HD 1008p high definition, 36.0 megapixels. So 16 times whatever is written there. That is the handy bag, the box, the box that it comes with. It's very handy. You just put it there, you know. And I bought this with a speaker. You got a speaker, you can attach it, you can remove it as well. It's removable. Okay, so when I'm recording, which I haven't used, I'm getting, it's so complicated, so I'm not used to it before, so I got to learn it bit by bit. And that is the camera, Samsung camera. Okay, steady shots, optical zoom 4 times, 28 mm wide angle lens. Samsung is also good for vlogging, sideburn shots, 12 points, whatever pixels or whatever megapixels. So you can use it to take photo, you use it to do your recording. It's good for vlogging, That's why I bought it. So I bought it for myself. I bought them online from Amazon. And so I will start kicking off and get used to it, get used to the buttons, and and the battery in there uses this. When you want to charge, I take out the battery from the camera, I plug it in here and charge it for like an hour. When it is fully charged, it will be showing you green. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you guys that I'm really ready as a YouTuber to kick off with all these my gadgets. And if I want to do Premiere, if I want to do LS, or I want to do live streaming, I got a speaker bought online as well from a different seller from Amazon. You got different types of speaker. So I just chose the one I can afford, the one that my money can afford, So that is a speaker as well. I can plug it to my laptop and use to do whatever I want to do. So I just say, let me show you guys, my new babies, my Samsung phone, my Samsung camera, excuse me, pardon me, and my camcorder recorder for my vlogging. This will make things to be more easier. Sometimes using my mobile phone and it's telling me, I'm overworking it, overloading it. So these ones are more handy and more compatible as a vlogger, as a YouTuber. Okay, guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you. For the camcorder, the video, this is the remote control. It comes with a remote control, to operate it. So for the video, this is the video. It's very good for vlogging. So what you do, literally, if you don't want to use the speaker, you can just, detach it. It has been detached now. This is the speaker. Sometimes when you want to buy camcorder for your vlogging, like for me, I went for the one that comes with the speaker, with the microphone. Some don't come with microphone. You buy microphone separate, which is expensive. So I chose wisely, Then this is the bag. This is the bag to keep it safe. It's handy. It's like a wallet, you know. This is the bag for it, you know. It goes in there, goes in the bag. And let me show you one thing I didn't show you. This is, you know, this is the lens. You can close it or shut it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in the bag for safety purpose. This is the handle where you hold it when you are filming. So you take a photo, you take a camera, a record, you take a photo. It does both, 2 in 1, you know. So you just close it like that. See, it's very handy, portable. It's like a wallet. You just put it in your handbag. You see, very, very handy, guys. This is the bag of the Samsung Sony camera, where you just put it in the inside, you know, put it there for safety. It's very handy. Can you see? Can you see it? So I just zip it. It's gone in the bag now. That is the bag. Very safety. Everything here, you put the wire for the charging and everything is in there. They go in there. You see, it's like a wallet. It's very compatible and handy. You know? These are my day creams. Can you see that? L'Oreal Experts cream with calcium. You know, as you are, you know, above 30, you are losing your calcium. So you need to for your skin, you know, to keep those layers and to prevent you from getting wrinkles quickly. So, and you eat more fruits and vegetables, greens, blackberry, blueberry, strawberry, raspberries, apple, pineapple, watermelon. You eat healthy as well. You know, make sure you have a complete diet. You use supplements also. So I got my L'Oreal Wrinkle Experts night cream with calcium. Can you see that? Can you see it? I got my day cream and my night cream. Okay, guys. We need to look after ourselves as a woman. Okay? Keep our skin moist. This is what I use for my face, my everyday face cream. Okay, serum. You can see the serum. Oil of Ule 2 in 1. You know, anti-wrinkle booster, Femin serum, and that is my Revitalift day cream. I got the night cream from L'Oreal. This is from L'Oreal. Can you see it? I got L'Oreal cleanser. When I do my makeup, I use this to clean my face every day. It's a cleanser. You need to have a cleanser as a woman, so you can have a beautiful, bright, smooth face. Cleansing milk. Okay? Cleanses and smooths your skin, your face. Okay? This is the water I use as well. Okay? Refreshing toner. You use toner and you use the cream. This one again is this one with glycerin and rose water. Okay? Traditional skincare. You get this from Boots. I've been using this for like ages. Then the magic one is this one, skin oil. Bio oil. Everybody knows this one. You must, as a woman, you must get this at home. If you want a bright, you know, shining, smooth skin. Then this is another one I use, Garnier. Garnier Skin Active. Rose Cleaning, Smoothie Cleaning Milk. And the toner. I use both. These are what I use for my face. Okay, guys.